Hi all, it's Kristen. Welcome back to my channel. So I have another Allure unboxing today. So just when I thought I had Allure figured out, I was like, okay, so every other month you'll get beauty products, you'll get like makeup products, and then you'll get skincare products, and then you get makeup care products, and then you get... Yeah, Kristen forgot about another essential beauty aspect, hair. They threw a lot of hair stuff into my June box, so I was like, okay, so I'm an idiot, okay, I've lost my mind, it's okay. Oh, look, you get $20 off Bubble Bar. I'm not really a big fan of Bubble Bar. Bubble Bar is, I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, it's a jewelry line. I'm not a big fan of their style, it's a lot like this. But maybe I'll go on the website and look and see. Maybe I can find a gift or something for somebody. Okay, so I have my little brochure. And then this week's bag, this month's bag, excuse me, is green. And there were a couple other items in here that they kind of, well, this they threw in, and then this one wasn't in the bag, but it's part of the thing. So they gave me something called Beauty Loot, and this I think was just like a little surprise that they threw in, which was very, very nice of them. And in this little tiny bag is a couple of things. Let's see. There's a little card. It says, "Thank you. We hope you enjoy this special gift. It's totally separate from your regular beauty box and our way of showing how much we appreciate having you as a loyal member." Aw, thanks, Allure. So I have a Caudalie mask. I love Caudalie. Deep cleanses and tightens pore. Caudalie is a great brand. So that's a nice little sample size. It's half a fluid ounce. So that's a great little sample size. I'll use that. I thought this was adorable, and I wish I had this before I went on vacation. It's a one single use of the Neutrogena. It's like a tiny little use, but I think that'd be good to like throw in your purse in case, you know, you get stuck somewhere, you want to take off your makeup, or if you need to refresh your, you know, face or something. That'd be great to have. That's adorable. I love that. And then the last thing in here is, "Hey honey, I peel good." Natural exfoliant honey peel cream. Okay, apply onto clean skin and pat dry. Okay. Leave on for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse, water, and pat dry. Okay, so it's like a little mask, like a little exfoliating, or a little peel mask. That's cool. Okay, I've never heard of Hey Honey, but that's cool. So you get 2 little masks in here, basically. And then, like I said, this tiny little Neutrogena single use. I love that. That's freaking cute. So that's what came in my Beauty Loot. Thank you, Allure. Okay, so like I said, just when I thought I had it figured out, they were like, you know what, we're going to throw in, well, technically there's 2, okay, so technically there's 2, okay, so I guess it's not all hair care. There's 2 hair care items, 2 actual makeup items, and then 2 skincare items. So really they mixed it up really well in the June box. So this is the SGX NYC, the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. Volume, Refresh, and Hold Dry Shampoo meets Hairspray. Alright. So that's what that looks like. Now let me see if I can find, okay, it's on the back here, but does it tell me the price of it? Usually it tells me the price of it. This doesn't tell me the price of it, but it tells me the ingredients and everything, so. But it, for some reason, doesn't tell me the price. Oh well. I'm not really a big fan of this kind of stuff, but I'll give it a shot. It's summer, why not? You want a little texture in your hair, right? Right? Okay, so then we'll get into the actual bag, which again is like a neon green color. So the other hair care item is actually something that I really, really like. I've used this before. It's the Moroccan oil treatment. It's for all hair types, and it's just a hair oil. And it is 3.34 fluid ounces. I really, really like Moroccan oil. It's a really good brand, and that tiny little sample, I'm sorry, no, okay. The full size I just like spit on you, sorry. The full size is $44. Oh, I guess that is full size. Seriously, this is $44? Okay. This is $44. I'm not sure. I'll have to look that up on Sephora and see if that's accurate, because that's a lot. Okay, so the next thing I have in here is a makeup item, and it's Floss New Favorite Lip Gloss. Floss New Favorite Lip Gloss. So that's what that is. And it has Yule, which I'm pretty sure is the airport code for... I used to know all the airport codes. It's Montreal? No, that's why, no. Toronto? I will put it on the screen. I used to know all of my airport codes really, really well, but anyway. So, it's like a clear lip gloss. Okay. And it's a squeezy too, but it's got a, I don't know if you can see that, but it's got like a doe foot applicator in there. Smells like summer. It smells like sunscreen. That's interesting. Okay, alright. So that's that. And that retails. And that retails for $16. Okay. Alrighty. So then we have a, ooh, I'm gonna mess this up. Avon thermal spring water. So it's kind of like, I don't know if you've ever seen the Evian like spray water mist spray. It's Evian, but it's only like this, and it's like a water. And that's exactly what this is. It's just spring water in a can. There's 1.6 fluid ounces, and you just use it to basically refresh your face. When it's hot outside, you just put it in the fridge, I hear, and that's probably the best way to do it. And this is $18.50 for full size. Is this a full size? This can't be the full size. So it's $18.50 for a full size. I don't know that this is a full size. I would hope that it's not $18.50 for 1.6 fluid ounces. But you know. Of canned water. I would put it in the fridge and just go from there. I do love my facial sprays. But I've never tried the Evian because, not the Evian? Yeah, the Evian. I haven't tried the Evian because I just can't justify, it usually comes in a 2-pack, but I can't justify paying for, I'll buy Evian water, put some in a spray bottle, and, you know, spray it on my face and then drink the rest. I don't know. It just seems weird to me. I have a Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. And this is 0.5 fluid ounces, so half an ounce. So it's an eye cream. This retails for $35. It's an eye cream. I've never heard of the brand Context, but okay. Alright. And then the last thing that's in here, I'm actually kind of really excited about. I've been seeing people get these for a while now. And, oh, it's in my color too, so that's good. I didn't even think about that. I've been seeing people get these for a while now, and I was like, I want to try it. Give it to me. It is the Brow Gal Eyebrow Pencil, and it retails for $23, and it just looks like this. Oops, let's take it out of the packaging. The Brow Gal. There's a spoolie. There is a sharpener built in, and then there's the pencil. It's an eyebrow pencil. But I've heard good things about the Brow Gal, so I wanted to go ahead and give that a try, and I was happy that I finally got that. So that was everything that I got in this month's Allure box. I haven't been disappointed, really, in Allure. I really haven't. I haven't used all of the skincare because it's just so overwhelming, the amount of skincare. I don't know that I've used all the makeup either, but I like to try a lot of the things that they send me. And a lot of it is sample sizes, but then I do get some full-size projects as well. But it's a great way to try things. So it's $15 a month, so it really isn't that bad. And plus they give me little gifts, apparently. I didn't know. Yeah, like I said, I was pretty impressed with this month. They threw me for a loop because I thought I had the pattern down. I was like, all right, so it's makeup, it's skincare, or skincare, makeup, skincare, makeup. I forgot all about hair. So we'll see what next month brings, but yeah. Give me a thumbs up if you like these types of videos. Thank you very much, as always, for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.